This is a tale of two chairs. The chair on the left is my mom's old office chair. And you'll notice that she's put a blanket here for padding, and she's put this little pillow here for her back. And she was still having a hard time sitting at her desk. So I ordered this chair from Amazon, and I really like it. It didn't take me but about 15 minutes to put together. The instructions are very easy to use. And what I really like about it is that it has this little device here that allows you to change the, what is that called? To change the back support there for the lower back. It also does have the mechanism to raise it up and down. It has all wheels that turn in all directions. And you can even change where the armrests are. You can adjust that. And it's a breathable mesh. So it's very nice. It's a very comfortable chair. The arms can go up. It does lean back. Easy to change the height. And like I said, it's easy to change. I mean, I wouldn't do it while I was sitting here like this, but I would get out of it. But it's easy to change the back support. It's a very comfortable chair, and she just said she doesn't like it. I'm going to steal it from her because I like it a lot. Thanks for watching.